this application. So first we need to create the copy of the project. We will open the command prompt and change our current path to the folder where we can find our app.py file. As I have shown you app.py file, we need to set the path for that. Step 3 will be to create an environment by the command given below. You can create environment. You can change this environment name according to you. You need to activate this environment. After that, you need a command to install the required dependencies. As I have shown you, you can use this for creating requirements.txt file. After that, we simply go to the command prompt and run this using python app.py and you will get a URL. That URL you need to copy it to the browser and run it. You have a sample data folder here, as you can see. So in order to deploy our app, we need to first upload all the code on GitHub. You can go to github.com, as you can see here. Create an account. After creating an account, you will see this page. We'll go to new repository. We'll create a new repository for this project and it will be named as PAN card tempering. You can choose any name that you want. You can set this to public or private as per you, and we will create this repository. As soon as we create the repositories, we'll upload all the existing files that we have. So let me drag and drop all the files required for this project. So this is my main folder which contains all the project files. I'll drag this and I'll drop this here. So here you can see that all my files are getting uploaded. All the required files, I have dragged them and dropped them here and they are being uploaded right now. It contains all the files that we had: app.py, config.py, proc file, which is the most important, and the requirements.txt, one of the important files. So as soon as the files get uploaded here, we will commit the changes. So it will save our files into this PAN card tempering repository. Till our files get processed, let's take a look at Heroku. So you need to go to this link dashboards.heroku.com and here we will create a new app. So we'll create a new app by clicking on create new app. For that, you first need to create an account. I have already created my account. You need to create an account and go to dashboard.heroku.com. Click on create new app. We can choose any name that we want. For this, we'll use PAN card tempering. Currently, it has only 2 regions. So we'll select United States and we'll create an app. Let's check if our files have been uploaded or not. So here you can see that all our files have been uploaded here into the GitHub account. So this is the link to our repository, github.com, your username and the name of your repository. Now we will connect our Heroku account to our GitHub account. So as we created an app named PAN card tempering, we can choose different methods to deploy. Here I am telling you how to deploy it using GitHub. So we'll connect GitHub to Heroku. We'll click on this. We'll search for a repo. So PAN card tempering. We'll connect this. So now our GitHub account is connected. And we have taken the repository for PAN card tempering here. We need to choose a branch to deploy. Here all of our project is saved in the main branch, as you can see here. So we'll select the main branch here and we will deploy this branch. So as soon as we click on the deploy this branch, it will start downloading the dependencies for this project. As you can see here, it already detected it as a Python app and it's installing all the required dependencies, like it will install the Python, it will install pip, all the setup tools and all the required libraries that we have passed in the requirements file. That is why the requirement files is the most important file. Similarly, for this to understand that this is a Python file, proc file is also very important. So currently it is installing all the collected packages. It has installed all the packages and now it is compressing our project and converting it into an app. So we'll see that after compressing, it will provide us with a URL, and that URL will be the URL for our app. The total size of our app is 149.7 MB, and this is the URL for our app. It is released. Now let's